Hey guys, we figured we'd show you the room at the Palazzo. This is a suite. I don't know what its fancy name is, but it's a suite at the Palazzo up on the 45th floor. And so this is the door entrance. And then this is your view when you first walk in the door. Immediately to the left is workout little room. Immediately to the right, it's a bathroom, and just regular half bath. Then you walk into the dining room. Immediately to the right here is the door to the connector. That's just a regular room to the side where our kids are. Still a big room, but just a bed and a couch in there. It's a pretty big open space. And you have the couch and the TV. And I'm not sure if you can see out there, the view is not spectacular, but it's okay. Then you come to the left through the door to the bedroom. TV. A window. And the bed. You do have a closet in here. Good size. Plenty of clothes could fit in there. Then a little table for the, I guess, makeup and stuff. Then the bathroom. See the door. This is it as a whole. And as you can see, there's the exercise room. So we did like kind of a U-turn. And that. And the tub. And then over here is another one. So 2 sinks. And then back around to the workout room. So we did a big circle. And then right back to the entrance with the doors. So this is the suite at the Palazzo on 45th level.